Today's lesson is on how to solve equations in one variable. And what we're going to try to do is, if we're given a word problem, we're going to first have to translate that word problem and set it up as an equation. But in most cases, you'll be given the equation already. Now, if possible, you're going to simplify each side of the equation in hopes of isolating the variable, getting the variable by itself on one side. Doesn't matter which side. We're just accustomed to seeing it on the left-hand side. And then finally, you're going to check your answer by substituting it back into the original equation to making sure it's a true statement. So what would that look like for number 1? Well, we're going to remove the constant by adding its opposite to both sides. Other people say you're going to subtract 7 from both sides. And so 7 minus 7 is 0, leaving 4x on the left. Here, when you subtract 7 from 27, you get 20. If you then divide both sides by the variable's coefficient, which is 4, this will reduce to 1, leaving x by itself on the left, and this reduces to 5. How do you check your work? Okay, you're going to take the original equation, 4x plus 7 equals 27, and substitute your answer. We know this is 20 plus 7. I always put question marks on the equation that I'm checking until I know for certain it's correct. This does add to 27, so since the left side equals the right side, it does check, and I can now box the answer and call it true.